who can guess what challenge we might be doing today?
Me.
Alright, Alanda, you go first.
Last stop popping poppets.
Alicia, what do you think we're doing today?
Last stop playing with poppets.
I can tell you that neither of you were right. We're playing Last to Speak challenge.
What?
We're gonna do the challenge I've been waiting for all this time. Who wants to play Last to Speak?
No,
Alicia?
not in.
Not in? Why don't you like my challenge?
I mean, like, I do. Last to stop playing with fidgets.
Okay. Today's challenge is called dun, 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 Last to Stop
Playing
with Fidgets. Okay.
fidgets.
Is that a better challenge?
Yes.
Okay.
Order.
So obviously we have got a ton of fidgets. So it's not just going to be Last to Stop playing with Poppets, because we've got Poppets, we've got fidgets, we've got a bit of everything right now. Okay? So here is a look at all of our fidgets. What are some of the fidgets that we've got?
So over here we have got a pink Among Us poppet. I've got a fidget cube right here, and it can switch things. A simple dimple because it's simple. These are little peas. We pop it up and it goes up. Got some watchies. Oh, they're very squishy. This is an infinity cube, and it can do whatever it is. Sounding tubes, things. ASMR. Bendy snake clicky thing. Fidget spinner that you could spin it, stop it, and pop it. The clicker that can click things. And we have got these scrunchy balls that you can stick together. The ring finger massager that goes up and down. A stress ball. So right now I'm very stressed. I really need to do it. Rubik's this noodle thing. A marble thing. You can push the marble about in this plastic thing.
Don't you just love our explanations of what these toys can do? Rules of the game. Do you know what the rules are? Do
Yes.
you know what you need to do in this challenge?
I know.
What?
You have to pop the poppets. No.
Yes, you do. You need to pop the poppets, you need to fiddle with the fidgets, you need to play with the toys, and you can't stop.
What?
So when this challenge begins, if you stop and put down your fidget, you are out and the other person
Wait, can you do
wins. Yeah, because you always have one in your hand.
Okay.
Okay, so we have got our fidget trading board. At the moment, you have a pile of fidgets and you have a pile of fidgets. So if you wish to give up one of your fidgets, you need to see if the other one is willing to swap. So you would have to make a trade. Do you understand the rules?
Yes.
Do you understand how to win and how to lose?
Yes. No, I know how to win, but I don't know how to lose.
You don't know how to lose. Okay, so before we start, I have a little surprise.
Yes.
Do you like surprises?
Yes.
Okay, so this is my box. This is my special box. But I thought that it might come in useful for doing this challenge. On the count of 3, we're going to open the box and see what's inside, and then I will explain. 3,
2.
1. Have a look what's in my box.
Oh, no way! What? What? Wait, what? Wait.
Okay, so take everything out the box and let's move the box so we can see what it is.
Oh my gosh! This is the biggest thing ever! What? I know, right?
So I have 3 items from my box. Item number 1 is a type of fidget. The ball is like a football. All the balls move into another hole and you can mix and match. It's a fidget, okay? That's what it's supposed to do. Fidget number 2 is actually a game. What you see in front of you is a 2-player poppet game. You roll the dice and whatever number it lands on is how many poppets that person needs to pop on their side until the person who's popped them all is the winner of the game. Poppet number 3, my giant poppet, is simply a giant poppet. So, guess what?
Guess what? Yes, I win.
They're mine. And this is where your trading board might come in handy. I think we better get out the trading board and see what you really want. But you like my fidgets.
Yeah, I really need this. I'm gonna trade you.
You're gonna trade me, but I might not like what you have to offer, you see, because
I'll give you
see, my
everything of
fidgets
this.
are like the ultimate fidgets I could find. So the fidgets that you see Alicia has is what she chose and she bought with her money. The ones that you see Orlando with is the ones that he took his money and he bought. You see those 3 fidgets in the middle? Those are mine. So,
No.
what I can tell you is the winner of this challenge is going to win all of my fidgets.
No way. No way. No way. Actually.
Yes.
And it's gonna be ours forever.
It's going to belong to the winner. Take it out, have a look.
I need to try this. Now that you won't be popping that for long. I will. I'll be popping it longer than you because I'm getting that. Now I'm getting this. This is my ultimate puppet.
You should see the colours on the side of that game.
Whoa, that looks so cool. So I'm going first. Alright, now let's see what you got, Orlando.
Place your trade in the game board. Oh, I know Orlando does like a fidget spinner. So, Alicia, are you going to accept? Are you going to decline?
I'm going to actually add.
Oh dear. So she's not quite satisfied with your trade, which means you need to add something else.
I will give you. Whoa.
What's it going to be?
I'm gonna be. Add.
Oh,
I have to
not enough still.
Okay.
She might try and take all your poppets.
Climb.
Oh no, she said no.
What I really want from Orlando is the infinity cube. You mean?
Okay, the black one, you need to place it on the board. And see if you're willing to accept what Alicia's going to offer you.
I will try something quite good. Moji. Because mojis are quite good. Okay.
Add.
I'm going to try and give you something that you don't actually have. So maybe a simple dimple, maybe? Sure.
Add?
Again?
More?
Okay.
Just for the infinity cube, you want more?
I will give you this. Actually, I got 3. It is
Will you accept her 3 fidgets for your 1 Infinity Cube. What's it going to be, Orlando? Declined! Okay,
That's
Alicia is offering this in exchange for what?
a key thing. Okay,
You don't actually have any of those, do you?
Yeah,
You don't
I
have any of those and you don't have any of those. Okay, will you accept her offer? Accepted! Okay, Orlando, your turn.
I'll give her this King Kong puppet.
Okay, place it on the board.
So
And what do you
like
want?
me to trade for a King Kong puppet? A mochi. I've got a few, and I don't see you have any in your pile. I want this one and this one too. So,
Are you going to accept? Are you going to decline? Or is he going to have to add something?
well, I think you should probably like add.
Okay. Accepted! Okay, we have completed the trades. Okay, so you want to try and trade me?
Yes, Mummy.
Okay, so place in the box what you want from me. Okay, place it on the board and let's see what you have to offer.
As stressful.
Orlando, could you please press add? Okay, got anything more to offer, Alicia? I think my ball is worth a little bit more than that, you see.
Well, maybe you should be this. Ha.
Okay. I'm still going to go with add, Orlando.
Add.
Okay, what else?
Oh, I'm going to start with the puppets now.
I think I'm going to accept that one.
No way!
So Orlando knows what he's after. Are you going to place that on the board? Because I have a feeling that's what you want from me. Can't even fit on the trading board. You see how amazing my fidget is? You're going to have to offer me something seriously good to get this from me.
I don't think he has anything serious.
What can you offer?
Because you like
Yeah, but at least you just gave me one of them.
Okay, what about you like one of these that Yerna got from Santa Christmas?
Do I? What do I like? Are you giving me things that you think I like or what you don't like? What are you offering me here?
I think you like that. What do you think, Alicia? Is it another I don't think anything you have is going to accept this big trade that Mum has to give you.
So Alicia, could you please put in my answer? Which is add.
What have you got?
Is there anything else you could offer me?
Infinity.
Oh, an Infinity Cube.
Mom.
I do quite like the Infinity
Another
Cube.
add, I guess. I really want.
Add. Oh, I am getting quite a good range here actually of fidgets. But it's a really big poppet.
True.
It's really big.
Yes.
I'm gonna say one more add, I'd say.
What does that mean? Wait.
Okay. Don't have one of them. Accepted.
Okay.
Okay, so you understand. From this point onwards, if you stop fidgeting, if I find that your hands are empty and you're not fidgeting, you're not popping, you are out the challenge.
And feels off for 1 second.
Out.
No, but what if you're trying to change what you're using?
You can't not have one in your hand. So you can change what you're using, but you can't let go of what you've got. Do not let your hand go.
I'm doing super fast. Listen to the sound of this.
I feel like this is going to be a really quick challenge because I feel like Orlando is going to forget and Orlando's going to let go with one hand.
I'm nearly finished. So I actually solved this, but the thing is there's actually one colour that I need to get to it. So I didn't fully solve it yet. Listen to this. I'm finished!
You did it?
Yep. So I'm
Don't let go now.
okay. And I'm gonna take another pocket.
Alright, you understand.
Yep.
And Alicia's not allowed to touch your fidgets and you are not allowed to touch Alicia.
This is gonna be that's really easy to already finished on this one. I'm gonna take another Godzilla puppet. And flip it over and take this and put it on here. I have a challenge for me and Orlando.
So Orlando, you pick up your blue poppet, Alicia's got her pink one, and you can see who can pop them the quickest without removing your hand at all. 3, 2, 1, go. And you say done when you're done.
Done.
Oh, Alicia won that one. So pick up your tubes now. Okay. First, to stretch it out fully and squish it back again. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. And say done when you're done.
Done.
Oh, that was really close.
You're back in the replay.
Okay, so I had a look back on the footage. Orlando actually opened his a fraction before Alicia, but Alicia said done first. So she actually did it in a quicker time. So Alicia won that challenge. Okay, so that's 2 mini challenges and Alicia won both of them, I'm afraid. Okay, I got one more mini challenge.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, Alicia, you could win this one though, I'm afraid. Might be a bit tricky. You have to pick up all of their poppets.
No. No, that's not fair. I got too many puppets, Mommy. Unless I can do wee. I can use my only one puppet.
You've got to pick them all up. So at all time, you have to be able to pick them all up and there has to be no remaining poppets on the table.
What if it drops like one?
Then that's not all of them up.
And they win this.
Okay, the one who can pick them all up is the winner of the mini challenge.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
3, 2, 1, go. All of the poppets, all of the fidgets, every single one of them. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, Orlando won that one. Orlando's definitely got them and it's only because he's got that giant one that worked. Okay, so Alicia won 2 and Orlando won 1. So Alicia is the winner of the overall mini challenges. 1 point to Orlando, 2 points to Alicia. So you better carry on with getting fidgeting with your fidgets.
Wait, listen to the sound.
Did you just knock it out of his hand? Where? I can't see it. Where is it?
It's behind my back.
It's nothing in your hands.
No,
There's nothing in your hands. You just picked up both your hands. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Orlando dropped the fidget. Do you know what that means?
I win.
It means that Alicia has officially won the challenge.
Now I can finally put something down.
So as promised, I told you that the winner of this challenge would win all of my poppets. So Alicia has officially claimed her prize. Alicia, how does it feel to be the winner of this challenge?
It feels like winning $1 billion.
$1 billion?
Yes.
The challenge has officially ended. We have a winner. Our winner is Alicia.
Yay!